Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. In today's video I want to try and fix this internet radio. It's from DUAL. It's the model number IR11. I bought this faulty of eBay in a joblot, which I showed you in a previous video. I don't know what's wrong with this, but in today's video I tried to fix it. And now, without any more waffle, let's get started. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay. It's just the radio. It is in extremely good condition. Yeah. So you can use it with batteries. And here is the connector with micro USB, but oh, I can see what's the problem here. Can you see it? Yeah, the connector is ripped off. Hopefully the ripped off connector is in here, because I don't know if I have a spare one. Yeah, so let's open it up and take a closer look. Here is the inside. So this is a nice and heavy speaker. Okay. Here is the button. There's a rotary encoder with a click. So yeah. You really have to unsolder this. Okay. Here are the tap switches. Okay. Okay. And I think this is the Bluetooth antenna. So we are free. And now let's see the here. As you can see here, yeah, it's ripped off, but no ripped off pad, so that's okay. So this is the broken off USB micro port. Yeah, all the pins are bent. So I found something. It's from a charging port. Yeah, I have loads of them. They are not too expensive. And it looks like it's the same one. So I will desolder this and then put it on the radio. Yeah. Today I want to try something new. I bought me some Chipquick SMD1NL. It's a low melt solder, and today I will try that. Oh, that was easy. Should have bought this before. So now let's clean off the low melt solder. So here's the board with the ripped off connector, so I will clean this up. Again, a little bit of flux. So that looks pretty good to me. Yeah, it's solid. And not too crooked, okay. Let's clean it up. So now I cleaned up a little bit and now let's test it. I hope this did the trick. So let's see. It goes on like this. And oh yeah, look at this. It's working. Yeah. Sweet. That's nice. So I put it back together and then we try if I can find a radio station via Bluetooth, not Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, it's turning on. I put in my network connection, one moment. And it's working. Yeah, it's even a color display. That is nice.
Jetzt in Verhandlungen mit den Vermietern in Bayern gerettet werden können.
Yeah.
Bernd Ullmann vom Bayerischen.
So let's put in some batteries. Ah, look at that. Yeah. Yeah guys, this was a successful fix. I hope you liked the video and enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thanks again very much for watching this video and I see you in the next one. Bye.